Okay, Corkies, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious summer treat. I am making a red strawberry sangria freezie pop, so stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome to corkandjava.com, your go-to place for coffee and wine reviews and how-tos. On this channel, we like to enrich and expand your experience with all your favorite beverages, so make sure you hit subscribe and never miss a video. Okay, so today I am making the adult version of Freezie Pops. So we got these off of Amazon. They are Frozen, create your own custom healthy popsicles, yogurt, smoothie, and much more. So obviously we're on the much more part of this. And there's 125 of these little bags. So just to give you an idea of what we're working with here, you just fill with whatever you want to this fill line and then pinch it closed and freeze it. So hopefully this will be really easy and really fun. Like I mentioned, I'm making a sangria version of this. So I'm using a Chianti. We actually have a video all about Chianti, so if you want to check that out, we'll leave a link to that video. Some triple sec, some honey to taste, and also some fresh picked strawberries. We went strawberry picking with the family recently, so these are some of our leftover strawberries. So I'm just gonna kind of wing the measurements, but I'll give you an idea of what I have in mind for, you know, what I'm actually gonna do. So. Okay, so I am gonna start with about a cup to a cup and a half of the Chianti. And then I'm gonna do about half of that with triple sec. Oh, a smidge more. All right, so then I'm just gonna throw the strawberries that I have. I just washed them and cut the ends off of them. It's probably about a cup's worth. You could also use other fruit for this, obviously. Sangria can be used with any fruits. You got oranges, apples, whatever you like. Like I said, we just have a ton of strawberries from going strawberry picking, so that's what I'm gonna use. And then, I don't know, maybe like a tablespoon of honey. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the lid on my blender and give it a good pulse. Very frothy. Oh, it smells really good. So hopefully this will not be super messy. Okay, so I'm at the fill line and that's how it looks. If you wanted to add like club soda or something for a little extra fizz, that would also be really nice. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do is lay these in the freezer for at least 12 hours, let them get good and icy, and then we will check back in and see how they turned out.
All right, Corkies, it's been 24 hours since we put the goods into the freezer. Now it's the taste test.
Time to try it.
Yeah, first off, I could tell in the hands, it's not like a frozen brick or an ice cube kind of texture. It's more kind of like, pretty much like a frozen pop would be.
Yeah.
Kind of a little bit slushy.
Mm-hmm.
So perfect.
Ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, it's cold. I guess that's the point though, right?
Yeah.
Mmm. Ooh. Really good for a very warm day. Maybe out by the pool, bring a few of these.
Yeah.
These will definitely chill you off. And man, it's delicious too.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes just like strawberry sangria. And which is nice because normally the the kids freezy pops, they're like super sweet and they taste like artificial sugar and it's just syrup.
Yeah.
This is sweet, but it's a lot more subtle.
Right.
It's a lot like a sangria kind of sweet. And you get that really nice wine flavor coming through too.
Yeah, definitely. And if you remember how much I made in the blender, it filled up exactly 6 of these. So, it's enough for whatever occasion really that you're gonna have. I can't imagine you would need more than one of these.
You can always take the proportions that we showed you, double it, triple it, depending on how many you're making.
If you have a party or something, yeah.
And yeah, like we said, feel free to improvise parts of the sangria recipe to things that you like in your sangria. And also some other ideas for some boozy pops. You can do like a rum and coke, Jack and Coke, as long as it's not super heavy on the whiskey, obviously, because that's not going to freeze good. But as long as it's at least 50-50 or so, you should be fine in a freezer.
Yeah, I mean, even like a white sangria would be good too. You could do a white wine with, pears and apples and stuff like that blended. That would be good too.
Yeah, and you can find some other good liqueurs to mix in. I know we did triple sec with our sangria, but like a peach schnapps if you're doing like a peach sangria or something like that. There's plenty of ways to go. And you can even make like a tequila, like margarita type slushy would be really good. Mojito, like think of any cocktail that you like, and if you can blend it up, you can go in one of these bags and freeze it
and make it a freezy pop.
Yep.
And I know that I think I showed the bag where it says there's like 125 of these little
Are they
plastic
reusable?
Things. That's what I was wondering. I guess you could wash these out and reuse them if you wanted to.
Yeah, because you don't cut it. You seal it
Yeah.
like a Ziploc bag.
Yeah, so I guess you could reuse these if you wanted. And I didn't mention that the pack that we got actually comes with a little funnel. I didn't use the one that was included because I didn't realize it was in there. It was kind of buried on the bottom, but
it does come with a funnel.
It does come with a funnel. So if you don't have your own at home, no worries, it comes with one. So.
Yep. Comment down below with what you would make in your boozy freezer pops. Would you do a sangria like we did? Would you do our recipe or a different one? Or some other cocktail or some kind of delicious treat? Let us know in the comments down below what you would make and put in one of these.
No, these are great. Nice and refreshing. The possibilities are endless with where you could go with this, though. Alright guys, well that is how to make your boozy freezy pops. Make sure that you guys find us online. We're on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. We're looking forward to seeing you guys online. So until next time, bottoms up.